whole traffic jam of boats. And no, they're not afraid to use their horn here either. The journey continues on the way to Chau Doc. We kick off the morning with a trip to the floating market along Mekong Delta. The floating market in Mekong Delta. Just boarded a pineapple boat. There's my boat.
Get the pineapple. You see, we call this is the pineapple ice. So you need to cut the ice out before you eat that. Chặt làm hai này. It's hot today. People think Vietnamese is like we used to the heat. Okay, this is pineapple ice cream. Okay. Now you have more than your breakfast, right?
Yes, and it doesn't taste like the refrigerator.
Yeah. And this is better if you dip into some salt.
Salt?
Yeah, chili salt. Not that spicy.
Chili salt. Want a taste bud adventure? Give chili salt a try. Next, let's head into a rice noodle workshop.
Usually, he's number 6 in the family. We don't have a number 1. You know, the oldest child, the oldest one will be number 2.
Okay.
Because number 1 is the parents.
Okay.
Okay, for the oldest one is number 2. He's number 6 right here. Sáu in Vietnam is 6. So he's the 5th child in family. Okay, like my family, I'm a 2nd child, so I'm number 3. So my nieces used to call me Uncle 3.
Uncle 3? So they didn't have names at all, they just went by the number.
Yeah. This rice paper, okay? So they're gonna try to the sun like the same rice paper, but they won't try until it get completely dry. It's still a little bit wet because they will cut that into noodles, right? So let's go inside. So this is the clear rice noodles. Okay, we have different color depending on also the flavor, and also because we use vegetable and ingredients like to make like color of the rice noodle and the flavor more different. So we have like many colors. And this is how they make for the rice noodles. It's like the same as you see that they make rice paper. Also they use rice husk over there. But the mixture of this one is different because the rice paper, the rice powder with the water, they will make right away, make the rice paper right away. But this mixture you have to leave them rest for about 2 to 3 days before you make the rice noodles right here. So the technique of doing this one is like the same, like doing the rice paper. So you pour everything in the middle of the close, circle, and then you put it around. You will put it around in a circle shape to make the shape of that one, and then you will use the bamboo tray to put that up and bring to the tray right here. Bring to the sun, dry that. After the cake completely dry, you bring to this machine. It will cut the rice paper into rice noodles. All right. This side first. We're gonna see how she make it. You see, it's much bigger than the rice paper, and also the liquid is thicker. It's like a dark white color, not the clear white color like yesterday we saw. And it needs a lot of heat. So now she wait and he will use this one to get the rice paper up. Okay. Okay. See? Pour all liquid in the middle. Put on straight. Beautiful. Then bring to the sun, try it. It must be in a circle shape because we want to cut that in noodles. You want to try? He asked you want to try? You want to try to pick that up? Okay. Use that to pick that up. Okay. 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 Make a circle. Okay.
No. Red card.
Okay, great. Great. He said that if it's broken, you're gonna eat that.
I will.
Make fast motion. Before it's get, you know, it's getting cool. Yeah, before getting cool, you make it happen fast. Okay. From the fur, you cannot see from the other side.
So you can see right through that. That's the clear
you
one.
You can see right through that, and also it's really chewy. Okay, I eat raw.
That's the machine that goes through that shreds them once they're cool.
Hot pot right here to deep fry it, and it's complete. It can come out like this. We put on top. We call the green onion with fat. Okay, and some ingredients to make it saltier. Okay, the flavor of the pizza is not wealthy. It's not healthy at all, but
It's rice noodle pizza.
yeah, rice noodle pizza. When you choose the one that you want to buy, she will do all the cleaning. Okay.
So this is the market the Vietnamese used to use. Everything here would be alive except the chicken. And if you buy it, then she cleans it right there. Red tilapia, eel, varieties of other fish, frogs.
Clean already.
This is called the wet market. Or many places around Vietnam, when you have to use the restroom, a lot of times you're expected to pay. There's usually donation boxes, but on occasion there's an actual person sitting there. I'm not sure if you can see, it's probably too dark, but to take money. So if you need to go, bring toilet paper in the event that you may need it, and also a few thousand dong to pay for the bathroom, usually around 2,000. Here at the crocodile farm, these are very small. Let's see if we can find some bigger ones. Is this your first time at an alligator farm? Or excuse me, a crocodile farm?
Yes.
What do you feel?
Terrified.
I'm glad I could share this terrifying experience with you.
Maybe it's my first and last.
No, it won't be. No, it won't be. In the middle of a crocodile farm, you find a pig. You find baby pigs, several pigs. They're very interested in why we are here. Okay, so now you're on camera. Tell me, who's your favorite NFL team?
New England Patriots.
That's the worst thing I've ever heard.
Really?
That's terrible. This is my last and final hotel. It looks to be one of the top, if not the top ones that I've been in. It looks very nice. in comparison to a few. Let's take a look. It's the bathroom. Nice open shower. And I will butcher it, so that is the name of the hotel. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it, so I won't. And this is the bedroom area. Looks very clean and updated. Let's take a look at the view. Perfect. Is that a sign for some karaoke or what? Town seems to be very nice, calm. Actually, maybe because it's near the water gives a slight feeling in the air of home. And before you even ask, there's no English music in karaoke, I'm told, so don't even bother checking to see if I did it, because I didn't. Next, Cambodia.